Hi, this is Angelique from thebudgetbandit.com, and I'm here to talk to you about the wet brush. Now, the wet brush is an absolutely amazing brush I am so excited about. As you can see, I've got really long hair. Both my daughters have long hair too, and they love this brush. They seriously try to steal it constantly. They want to take it to school with, and they love it so much. So I'm going to show you a little bit, just to see how well this brush works. As you can see, I've got this comb. It's got the fine and the wide. I'm using the wide, and I have to start from the very bottom. Can't get through my hair very well. Okay, so then I would normally use this brush, nice and wide, and I'd have to pick through it. And lots of tangles. It's not going to pull through. Now, I've got a typical brush. This is just a brush that I've got from the store. I'm going to use it over here. Ouch. You know, it's not very easy to brush through my hair. So now I'm going to show you the wet brush. It doesn't look that much different. Since this side's already getting brushed through, I'm going to use this side so that you can see what it's like when it's really tangled. So I'm going to show you how it immediately just glides through my hair. You can hear it's not pulling or ripping any of my hair at all. It's giving it a nice smooth finish. And what I love most about this brush is not that it's just really easy to brush through my hair without pulling or tearing or destroying my hair, but after I'm done brushing my hair, it makes my hair feel silky, silky smooth. It just feels so soft and smooth, and it doesn't just feel that way right after brushing it. It actually continues to feel that way through the entire day. I find that I don't have to brush my hair as often throughout the day when I use the wet brush. It actually keeps my hair feeling smooth the whole time, which is seriously amazing when you have such long, fine hair like mine that tangles up all the time. So as you can see, I just quickly, it took me less than a minute to brush through all of my hair. Normally would have taken me at least 5 minutes. I would have put spraying conditioner, I would have put hair lotion in, I would have put several things in to be able to get that smooth finish. And as you can see, I was able to brush right through it. I have no tangles. My hair feels so soft. I can run my fingers through it. And as it dries even more, it's going to continue to feel really soft from using this brush. So that's the wet brush. I absolutely, like I said, I love this brush. I recommend it for anybody, everybody. If you've got hair that needs to be brushed, the wet brush is for you. Thanks for joining us. And again, to see the full review, go to thebudgetbandit.com. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.